Just making a quick test for the Talyllyn rail. Hold on, I'm gonna test since the I think Talyllyn is a little short and small. I don't know if, yeah, I think this is better. You know, using the cargo cards works good. Almost there. Also, I improved this, making few adjustments here and there. Remember, I have the original. I think I made a year ago. I made the silicone molds for this. Never finished it. I have the molds, and I have the mold for the face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the face of that mold. It's gonna be resin casting, and then we just stick it to this model, and we should be good to go. So just a few adjustments. I need to make the tabs, and we are almost there. Talyllyn coming really good. What do you think?